who's going to take us upstairs and tell us a little bit more about flying the aircraft.
Oh, you need to come on, welcome aboard. Let's come up shore.
So Mark, we're upstairs now on the top deck of the Boeing 747, and I'm seeing what looks to be some nice recliner seats. Where are we?
We're on the upper deck of the freighter, and it's designed as the home away from home for the pilots when we use very long flights on this aircraft. It's got enormous range capability, plus it goes all over the world, and we carry supplementary crews. We have some long flights, and there's normally more than 2 pilots on board. So we've got an upper deck here. There's 6 recliner chairs, they're leather chairs, and they recline fully. It's a bit like a business class seat rest down the bottom, and there's 6 of those here on the upper deck. On the side